This is the March Discovered Beauty Box. Let's get in here and see what the Wild and Exotic edit has to offer with. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. I'm sorry if I sound a little weird. I haven't been very well the last few days. I'm still not feeling 100%. I feel like a bag of rubbish. But today's video we have this. This is the Discovered Beauty March box. Let's get this bad boy open. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button as well. It really helps my channel out. Pop a little comment down below. If you look in my description, I have my socials down there. So there's my Facebook, my TikTok, my Instagram, my Twitter. If you're not already added on there, go and check it out. But yeah, when I get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to link a video just here. In that video, it's just going to show you what the 3 prizes are that I'm going to be giving away. I need 290 more subscribers to be exact. So nearly there. Hopefully it won't take much longer. Here is the box. So Discovered Beauty costs £25 per month. If you want just a one-off box, just to see what it's like, that would be £30. This is one of my most expensive boxes that I get. It's not the most expensive, but it is up there. So yeah, £25. I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box for you. If you click that link, you'll get your first box £3 cheaper. Every penny helps. With this box, I don't think I've ever been disappointed. I remember months and months ago, there was one item in a box that I wasn't really keen on. But other than that, I still loved the box. Every box that I have loved. And I can't say that about every beauty box that I get. So that's got to say something in itself. Let's have a little sneaky peek. Right, so in here we get a little thank you card, just thanking her for our purchase. We have the edit card, which has information on all the products that are in the box, so we will be looking at that throughout the video. And then this is inside the box. We have a lovely bag here. Let's take it out and see if we can get a better sneaky peek going, because that's not much of a sneak peek. Right, as I've just discovered, everything is in this bag, so I can't really give you much of a sneak peek. So let's just get on with it and see exactly what we've got in here. Right, so back to the edit card. It just says inside here, this edit is called the Wild and Exotic. So that sounds amazing straight away. It just says, get ready for the Wild and Exotic DBB fam. It's time to drive into the world of wild and exotic. In the March edit, you'll find beauty treats to help you get creative, but also to get your imagination flowing with wonderful scents and exotic ingredients. Oh, right, so up first, we obviously have this gorgeous makeup bag. So it's by the brand The Wild and Exotic, funny enough. And it just says, to start the edit off, we had to get the makeup bag fitting for the theme. Store all your favourite goodies in this exotically fabulous makeup bag, which comes with ample space to add in more beauty favourites or even use as a fashion accessory. Definitely. So the RRP for this is £10.99. Which is quite decent for something that feels such good quality. And guys, it really, you can feel the quality in this. So here is a closer look at the pattern. What bird is that? Is that a toucan? I'm probably wrong. I'm not into my birds, but I am loving the colours in this. I love the contrast of the zip where it matches the yellow leaves and flowers. Very nice. So inside we have a lining, and that feels like, yeah, that feels like it can be wiped inside in case you have any accidents. But yeah, that's really nice. I'm definitely going to be putting that to good use. So for product number 2, we have this. So this is by the brand 12th London. and it's Montego Bay wax melts. Oh, lovely. It just says 12th London Montego Bay Maxwells will transport you to the exotic and tropical islands of the Caribbean. These handmade soy wax melt will blend with scents of vanilla, amber, lemon, coconut and lime. Perfect to get your imagination going, and these are cruelty free. The RRP for this is £6, so fantastic price. Straight away, I was going to say, I can smell everything that it's listed there. I can smell the lime, I can smell the vanilla and the coconut. You can smell a little bit of the lemon and amber too. Amazing. Let's just open them up and have a proper full hit. That smells so good. Oh my god, I can't wait to use them. That is going to fill this room up lovely. Or I might save them for my new beauty room. Who knows, whenever that may be, when I eventually move. But they smell absolutely gorgeous. And next we have this. So this is by one of my favourite brands out there, and it's Dr. Botanicals. And this is a Japanese orange reviving hand cream. So wow, the RRP for this, guys, for a hand cream is £49. Oh my goodness, definitely something I wouldn't pay for that price, let's be totally honest, but it's nice to get it in the box so I can try it in any way. It just says keep your hands delightfully moisturized with this lightweight Japanese orange hand cream made with exotic ingredients such as coconut oil, shea buckthorn, fruit oil and tiara flower, which come from the added benefit of protecting your hands against free radical damage. And lastly, not forgetting the wonderful fragrance of Japanese orange, ideal for keeping in your handbag or car or when you're on the go. This is vegan and cruelty free. This box is sealed. I'm going to keep that sealed. I have quite a few hand creams on the go at the moment. If you have seen any of my declutter videos, I'll link the videos here. I'll link, there's about 4 or 5 of them. I'll link all of them there. There's a giveaway in one of them actually, so go find it. It's currently still on. Yeah, I might keep this and have a go, or I might put it in a giveaway. I don't know, I'll see how generous I'm feeling at a later date. So the next product we have is this. Guys, this is one of my favourite products out there at the moment. So this is by the brand Happy Skin, vegan by Happy Skin, sorry, and it's the original Skin Essence Toner. This is worth £34.99, so let's just say £35 this is worth. Oh my god, I would never be able to justify or afford to spend £35 on a toner, and that is the full size as well. So this just says soothe and hydrate your skin with the go-to skin balancing essence, designed to be used after cleansing, and it is infused with chamomile and calendula. Crammed with antioxidants, this formula aims to have your face feeling calmed but also soft and nourished. This is vegan, it's cruelty free, and it is natural. So yeah, as I say, I love this stuff. I have 2 bottles popped to the side that is in my stash, and then a lovely subscriber, I'm not going to name her because I don't know if she wants to be named, has sent me 3 bottles of this because she doesn't like the scent of it. So yeah, I have 5 bottles of this in my stash. This is number 6, so I am so happy to get this. My skin loves this stuff. So yeah, I'm so excited to get another one. I know for a lot of people, to get a repeat product again is not going to be great for them. There's products that I get that I'm like, really, again? But this isn't one of them for me. I love it. Wow, guys, wow. So the last product we have is not a product, it's these. Oh my goodness. So these are by the brand Steve Laurent, and it's a lip gloss and liquid lipstick bundle, and it just says, is it a bit wild that this bundle features not 1, not 2, but 7 lip products? That is definitely wild. Each bundle will feature 5 lip glosses and 2 liquid lipsticks in a mix of shades. These shades can be used alone, mixed together to create your own unique shades and ombre or demi matte looks. Yeah, cool. So it just says you will receive 5 lip glosses from either Posh, Very Nice, Peaches, Ballerina, Gorge, Glaze, Ipsy Magic or Sweetie Pie, and 2 liquid lipsticks from either First Lady, Mocha or Poise. These are cruelty free, and Jesus, for this bundle here, which is quite a bundle, this is worth £113.87. Cool. I think we've got some swatching to do. Right, so let's start off with the liquid lipsticks. So these are Velvet Matte liquid lipsticks. If I can have them the right way, that would be great. So the shades that I got is Mocha and First Lady. Let's have a look at Mocha first. So that is Mocha, and that is the shade of Mocha. That is absolutely beautiful. It's not quite red, it's not quite brown, it's the perfect mixture of the two. That is beautiful. And this is what First Lady looks like. There we go, and that is First Lady. So it's more on the peachy side. You can tell there's a brown tone to it, but yeah, that's definitely more on the peachy side. Them two colours are stunning. So lip glosses next. I'm just going to pop these down and we'll go through them one by one. So this one is Ipsy Magic. Oh my god. That is pink. It's got lots of shimmer in there. It's like holographic almost. Oh my goodness. It's Ipsy Magic there, and it's actually really pretty. You can see a pink shift in there. It is stunning. When I first saw that, I was worried. I was very, very worried, but that is gorgeous. That'll be lovely as a nice topper on a colour. Wow. Next we have Glaze. There you go, and this is Glaze. This is very pink as well. Again, it's very shimmery. I wonder if it's going to be like the other one. Oh, this, I think this one's going to be a bit pigmented, so let's just pop it on. There we go, that one is Glaze. So I think once that's on your lips, I have popped that on a little bit thick. You can put that on thinner so it's not as opaque. But again, that's such a pretty, pretty colour. Wow, we have Sweetie Pie, and there we go, that's that one. That looks like a mauvey colour. That is beautiful. And there we go, that is that one. Oh my goodness, that is absolutely stunning. I'm really loving the colour choices we've been given so far. I'm going to try Gorge. It looks like a peachy tone, like a reddy peachy tone. So there it is there. So yeah, it's like a reddy pink one, I should say, not peach. But oh, wow, it's so pretty. Oh, cute. And last but not least, we have Very Nice. Oh my god, guys, look at that colour. Oh, is that a mauvey colour? It's like a purpley pink. That is that one. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. Absolutely love it. Here is a close-up of all of them together, and wow. So obviously you can tell which are the two liquid lipsticks, the matte liquid lipsticks. They've dried down lovely. Obviously I'm gonna have to try them on the lips. I'm really glad that out of the choices we've got 5 glosses and 2 liquid lipsticks. I do get on with glosses better, but I'm gonna have to give them a go because them colours are beautiful. But yeah, what do you think? So this is the March box for Discovered Beauty Wild and Exotic Edit. What do you think? Personally, just as you think this box couldn't get any better, it gets better. I don't know why I'm surprised anymore. It's so good. This box is worth over £200. It's worth over £215 to be more precise. Ugh, wow. I can't believe it. I mean, the hand cream alone is 50 quid, you know, you know what I mean? And then to get given 7 lip products, which is worth, what did it say, £113 something or other. What? And a toner which is 35. Then wax melts smell amazing, and that makeup bag is simply gorgeous. I am obviously loving this box, freaking loving this box. It is amazing, and I can't wait to try out those lip products. I really can it. But yeah, comment down below and let me know what you think. It's just simply amazing. I just wish I got this box sooner, basically because you can only get this box before the 10th of every month, and obviously it's past the 10th now, so you can't get this box which is really annoying. I do apologise. But yeah, guys, click that link, get £3 off your first box. You'll get, if you sign up now, you'll get next month's box. As I say, I've never been disappointed with this box yet, and that is saying something. Yeah, that concludes this video. I have nothing else to say on the matter. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Hopefully a bit better. Bye.